go. Are you going to go swim and get the fishes? Yeah. All right, let's do it. High five. Everything all great and normal. I think these are water shoes, right? They're supposed to go in the water. They make big splash.
That's why they call water shoes.
Right? You come in the water.
Yay, you did it.
You going to go get it again?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Good arms and legs, Benicio.
Nice.
You gonna do it again? Ready. Great, good job.
Bravo.
Nice, good move. Good job. So keep you from bonking your head, okay? You go again when you're ready.
You did it.
Big. Let's come off of the steps.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Good. Go. Good challenge. Good job, buddy.
You did it.
Can we splash, Mom?
No.
That is electronics. Because that's an electric key.
Yay! Good job.
Yay.
All right, can we go?
You gotta
Peekaboo.
cheer your brother on, Mama.
Peekaboo with you on that wall.
Yay.
Ready? Ready? Go.
You did it.
Can you do a video for me?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Have a great weekend. Peekaboo!
Yay.
Ready?
Ready?
Set, go.
You got me wet.
Ha-ha.
again.
Good job.
All right.
All right.
We're going to splash you good this time. Can I splash this you good?
Yeah.
Got me again.
Good boy. Good job. Chin. Yay!
Yay. Bravo. Mwah.
Good job.
Look at all of you, so. Freestyle. How are we going? Go ahead. Splash in. Go splasher.
You did not get me this time.
Well, then just pretend. He worked really hard to get you.
There you
Good job, buddy. Good head back. You gonna go get the steps? No, you get the wall. All right.
All right.
All right.
Awesome.
All right, so I'm going to see your rolls in soup. Are you ready? Practice a float real quick. Do a couple, and we'll do a couple with the shoes off. It's harder to float with those rubber shoes on. Good job. Can I pick you up, or do you want to come swim? Would you like me to pick you up? I can. I'll totally pick you up to those good floats. Hey, guys.
Nice floating.
Nice
Show
floating,
me that good floating
Benicio.
again.
You keep it
And I
up,
can
you
pick
get a
up, or you can
toy.
keep swimming, whatever you want. Ready, set, go.
He doesn't get a toy if he keeps it up. He gets to live in the satisfaction of knowing he'll survive.
Yeah, that's great.
Good.
Bravo! Woohoo!
Nice. You like that song too?
That song was stuck in my head this morning.
That's great. You got the lead. There you go. Good bird.
Good.
Nice burps.
Ah, you got me on the finger.
Boom. Benicio, can I pick you up? I think that's a yes. Good job.
Good job.
All right, I'll try a couple ways.
All right.
Let's see, look what these do. Watch. They float. So the whole time he's trying to roll and float and do his stuff.
It's struggling. He's struggling with it.
good to practice in because these are the
Yeah.
ones they wear by the water, and they're the hardest ones to
Yeah.
swim and float in because they keep pulling your feet up.
That makes sense.
Yes, they do.
You know that too. You've had that experience.
You haven't had that experience.
Uh-huh.
Good job.
When I had a walk.
All right, Benicio, we're gonna swim and float and go get out.
He's trying to flip himself. That diaper is probably causing him to struggle.
He's not stupid. He's just getting as close to the steps as possible. If he flips over, he's gonna be there. Go ahead, you're there. Go, go, go. All done.
You did
Good job, little buddy. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. That diaper weighs a lot.
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
You're all done.
Make
That's
it
it, buddy.
Five.
You did it!
Yeah. Good job, buddy.